Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and as usual I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to see some of the icebreakers activities of the poem Song of the Open Road written by Walt Whitman. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's begin. Icebreakers activities of the poem Song of the Open Road. First activity. Choose the mode of travel that you would like the most for a journey. A. Airways. B. Waterways. C. Railways. And D. Roadways. Give reasons for your preference. So friends, यहाँ जो 4 मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट जो दिए हैं उनमें से एक चूज़ करना है और वाई यू लाइक दिस मोड ऑफ ट्रैवल मोस्ट इसके बारे में रीजंस आपको यहाँ लिखना है. सो आई हैव गिवन हियर आंसर. आई वुड लाइक टू ट्रैवल बाय ट्रेन because means I would like to prefer railways. The reasons are: 1. I can meet with my soulmate. अगर मैं अकेला ट्रैवल करता हूँ तो मैं खुद के बारे में इंट्रोस्पेक्शन खुद के बारे में जान सकता हूँ. एक एकांत मिलता है ट्रैवल करने में. 2. I can have unlimited fun with my friends. 3. Can enjoy bonding with my family. 4. Can buy clothes, toys and other stuffs at cheap prices. 5. I can eat special dishes offered by Indian Railways. 6. Can enjoy the scenery of the Indian countryside. And last one, I can mingle with the colorful Indian crowd. Next activity. Discuss with your partner the preparations you would like to make for journey chosen. आपने जो मोड ऑफ जर्नी सिलेक्ट किया ट्रैवल के लिए, इसके लिए आप क्या प्रिपरेशन करोगे, क्या तैयारी करोगे. सो जो अभी हमने रेलवे मोड ऑफ जर्नी सिलेक्ट किया था उसके बारे में लिखेंगे. आंसर. माई प्रिपरेशन फॉर रेलवे जर्नी. 1. बुक अहेड ऑफ टाइम. शुरुआत में ही बुकिंग करेंगे, रिजर्वेशन करेंगे. 2. रजिस्टर विथ cleartrip.com immediately. 3. Decide which class is right for you. 4. Snag a foreign tourist quota ticket. 5. If your route is sold out, check nearby stations. 6. Be prepared for long delays. Bring snacks with you. 7. Pay attention and have a map downloaded on your phone. Next, opt for overnight trains when possible. Next activity, discuss the ways in which you would overcome the problems or hindrances, difficulties you face during your journey. जर्नी के समय कौन कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकते हैं और उस पर आप किस तरह से ओवरकम फेस कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में लिखिए. अभी रेलवे के बारे में ही हम लिख रहे हैं यहाँ क्योंकि वी हैव चोजन दैट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट ट्रैवल. सो आई हैव गिवन हियर कौन कौन से प्रॉब्लम आ सकते हैं और किस तरह से ओवरकम कर सकते हैं. 1. अनक्लीन एंड अनहाइजेनिक. दिस इज कॉमन प्रॉब्लम. मोस्ट ट्रेन्स शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ऑर्डिनरी पैसेंजर्स ट्रेन्स और सुपरफास्ट सर्विसेज bearing selected few have no arrangement of proper cleaning. The stinking toilets of trains make it impossible to use these but also make it difficult to travel because the foul smell makes the travel a horrible experience and this is common for all classes of train. Next difficulties we may face. Unauthorized vendors. You can find them everywhere right from entrance of railway station to main platforms of stations, inside the running trains, general bogies or AC coaches, day or night. You can hear them selling tea and coffee at 2 a.m. in sleeper coaches as if you are not there for sleeping purpose but to keep awake with the help of drinks. They are breathing for you, and the height of irony is that railway staff and protection forces are supporting them while you try to protest. Next problem may be dirty linen. It is, in its literary sense, most blankets and bed sheets, towels, pillow covers are stained and stinking provided in AC coaches, which you use as there is no alternative. Most coaches have no proper storage space in sleeper trains, but the packets of blankets and other clothing are stored near the stinking toilets or even in toilets sometime. Imagine the problems of suffering of the passengers when they have to use such stinking clothes. There is one popular saying among Indian travelers, especially in Hindi speaking belt, suffer is suffering. जैसे हम हिंदी में बोल सकते. In saying among Indian travelers, especially Hindi suffers mean traveling. There is no use making complaint of such poor clothes and service provided, as you might face the dirty or rude behavior of attendants or service staff. Next problem you may face, theft, chori, is common problem, as there is no stoppage for outsiders to enter into coaches of any class. The bad characters take full advantage of the situation, and your luggage is always at risk of being stolen. In most cases, you never recover your luggage, and railway police mostly behave in rude way, never registering your complaints or making it a mere formality with no attention to recover your lost property. People generally believe that police and protection forces are in association with thieves. Next hindrance may be passengers do not care for others. Most passengers have no civic sense that make the travel even more difficult by their habits of spilling garbage, spitting frequently, eating different tobacco products, spilling water, allowing children to urinate or eat bowl without caring for other passengers. Next problem may be passengers talking loudly. While on mobile phone at night are a favorite pastime for many of so-called cultured and educated persons traveling in trains. Next problem may be enquiry counters. An enquiry counter is a place on a railway station where you queue up to learn many new experiences, but your queries never get an answer, as in most cases either there is no one attending the counter, or if you are lucky enough and there is one sitting at the counter, he is either talking to his co-workers or busy on his personal phone to have spare time to attend you. Next problem may be no timetable. There is nothing like fixed time or schedule running for Indian trains apart from a few selected ones, as against the standard set for the late running throughout the world. We do not seem to care much about timetables, as they think if we had our trains running at scheduled timing, there was no need of waiting rooms. What I feel is to take full advantage of waiting rooms, they delay their trains. On a serious note, we do not mind trains running late by an hour or two, and no one cares much. Next problem may be no pantry services available. In most trains running for medium or even long distance, they do not provide pantry car in the train, but in most cases they arrange food from outside or the services provided by unauthorized vendors who provide inferior quality and overcharge passengers as per their own sweet will. The trains having facility of dining car pantry services have a lot to be desired, as their services are not up to satisfactory level or too poor in quality, overcharged and not hygienic. Next activity. During every journey, we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your ideas of the journey without any restriction. You can begin like this. यानी जर्नी के समय, ट्रैवलिंग के समय हमें क्या क्या रूल्स फॉलो करने चाहिए, कौन कौन सी बातें ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए. आंसर, टिप्स फॉर ट्रैवलिंग इन इंडिया. Don't try to cover too much ground. Next, prepare yourself for culture shock. Next, bring travelers diarrheal tablets. 4. Go beyond the cities. 5. Cover yourself and dress conservatively. 6. Take off your shoes before entering a temple. 7. Get a SIM card for your phone. 8. Watch out for religious scam. 9. Don't be afraid of the local pharmacy. 10. Understand the Indian head waggle. 11. Learn how to haggle. 12. Watch out for pickpocketers. सो इस तरह के बहुत सारे रूल्स दिए हैं जो कि वी हैव टू फॉलो while traveling all over India. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Take care. Thank you very much.